All right, thanks for joining me in today's video. Today, what I'm going to do is share with you some insight on how to make a weekly income when it comes to trading iron condors. Now, it could be monthly income, weekly income, bi-weekly, or, all kinds of different time spans that you want. But the more important question that we'll be covering is really the consistency behind it, because the step-by-step process of putting on an iron condors, those are other videos that we've got going on that you can take a look at. But in terms of what makes consistent weekly income, how do I do this as far as repeatable trades over and over again to generate a weekly income, bi-weekly income, monthly income? How does it really work? Now, we're going over some of these things and details because we've got a new course coming out. This is the Iron Condors Mastery course. Options Mastery, Iron Condors version 2.0. And if you take a look at the Traders Fly website, which the link is going to be in the description below, you can take a look at it, scroll down, hit the Learn More button, and then you'll be able to check out more insight on this. Now, we do have a promotion going on this for the time being. So if you missed the promotion, sorry, they don't really come back again until the next time we launch a new course. So when we do a new course, that's when we do the promotions. But anyway, this course right now is 21 hours long, so you can get $100 off if you purchase it before February 14th. So don't miss the date. If you miss the Black Friday or the Christmas sale, well, then it's gone, right? So the same thing here. Once the sale is done, it's done. Anyway, you can go through and you can check out a lot of different videos here that we've got. There's a big overview. There's a ton of stuff in terms of trade examples, in terms of different types of iron condors and overviews of those, and we'll be adding some trade examples more into that. So anyway, check that out. Links in the description below. You can also visit tradersfly.com, and then once you're there, you'll be able to link up to this website to be able to purchase the course. So the more important question that always comes down is, how do you make a weekly or monthly income when it comes to trading iron condors? Well, what a lot of people do is they kind of look at it and say, well, I want to do this one big trade. They go in and they say, I want to do a big trade. But the reality is it doesn't work off of a big trade. Let me take a look at a calendar here for you. If you're trying to make a weekly income on an iron condor, and let's say you just do one, this is March 2023, kind of a calendar. If I wanted to do a weekly income from, let's say, an Amazon trade, and I'm gonna go ahead and do an Amazon iron condor right there on Monday. Then I would do another one on maybe in 2 weeks again. Okay, so there's another Amazon iron condor. Then I do another one, maybe right there, iron condor. So how does this work? Well, take a look. I do one every 2 weeks. And if I'm doing one every 2 weeks and I go in and check out the panel or platform and say, hey, okay, well, what does an Amazon iron condor bring me? It's like dealing with, food or iPhones or selling gold or, just selling services of some sort. Well, if I do one every 2 weeks, let's say we've got 18 days out and then we would overlap them. But here's Amazon. And then I might do an iron condor and start saying, okay, well, this one I'm going to do probably set up a basic iron condor here. And we'll go maybe like this. So now I've got a basic iron condor for Amazon. Voila. And let's say we do, I don't know, just say 10 contracts for conversation's sake. Okay, it's a little bit more. Let's see, I've got a $3 wide here. Let's do a $3 wide here as well. Okay, so this iron condor right now, I'm risking about $2,000. So if every 2 weeks I'm risking about $2,000, well, my theta's here about 36, and the most I can make is about $750 from this iron condor. So you can see that on the lower left over there, $750. Well, I might not make $750. I also might have some losses in some weeks. Maybe this thing will go up. So maybe I'll make $250 on this one, maybe $200 between some weeks where I'm losing, some weeks where I'm winning. Let's just call it $250. So now as I look into this, well, let's say, hey, this one is going to bring me $250. Here, I might bring $250. Here, I'll bring in $250. So now what I've got is, hey, this Amazon iron condor is bringing me in $250. But in order for me to be consistent and make that money, I got to put on an Amazon iron condor every 2 weeks. Okay, because here I'm doing it based on, hey, I've got this Amazon iron condor. What am I making? What's possible? And then how much can I do every couple of weeks? So in that case, well, this is what I've got. I've got Amazon Iron Condor, Iron Condor, Iron Condor, 250, 250, 250. Now, some weeks I might make $400, $500. Other weeks I might lose $300, $400. But I'm aiming for, let's say, about 250 on average, let's say, is what maybe it'll come down to. And now I see, okay, well, I've got some consistency behind it now. Okay, now you might go ahead and add more to it. So let's say now every Wednesday, this might be something different. Let's say it's a NVDA, let's say Iron Condor, but I do this one every week. Okay, so it's NVDA, 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 NVDA. So I basically do this one, let's say, every week. And now, well, on this one, are you going to make more or less on that? Well, it's going to depend how many contracts, and also you don't have to do as many. Why not? Well, you're doing it every week. So at the end of it, even if you did only, let's say, $150, okay, well, remember, you're doing more of these. 150, 150, 150, 150. So now I've got more of these than I have these, so I'm able to kind of bring in more money. And again, you could mock it up on your trading platform and say, okay, well, let me look at NVDA, and if I did Iron Condor every week or so, let's say it was 10 days, and now I set one up. So as you set one up, then you at least have an idea of what can that Iron Condor make, and how might you go out about managing it and working with it, and then you have a rough idea. Okay, so now I've got myself a NVDA Iron Condor. I'm going to get rid of this one. And let's say I go back to today. I'll do maybe 5 contracts on this one. And now, okay, I've got myself something there to work with. I'm risking about 1,800 to try and make maybe 675. And out of that 675, really, maybe I'll make only 150, 200 bucks. I don't know. It just, I'm looking for some decay and then I'm looking to get out. That's it. I'm not hanging around. But now you've got some idea of, okay, how much am I making? And you could do the same thing with, let's say, a monthly Iron Condor. Let's say this is your kind of monthly Iron Condor, whatever you want to do. Then another one you put on over here. And this one just repeats every month. So now what you've got going is you've got multiple things where one is a bi-weekly, one is a monthly, one is a weekly. You've got all these Iron Condors going. And this is how you go out and create either a weekly income, monthly income, yearly income, because you do the same one over and over again. Now, in some cases, you might lose. Let's say on Amazon, the stock is running high and fast, and that Iron Condor maybe doesn't work one of the weeks. But then other times when the market's moving sideways, it'll work just fine. Remember, the market doesn't move, up or down all of the time. Many of the times, actually, in a lot of cases, actually just move sideways, and that's where Iron Condors work just fine. There are some moments in the market where it does skyrocket, and it feels like you're missing out when you're doing Iron Condors, but it's not always the case. Many of the times, the market's just kind of wiggling back and forth. It might go up 2 days, it might pull back 2 days, and that's where Iron Condors work just fine and dandy. So anyways, I highly encourage you to take a look at our Iron Condor course. If you're serious about learning to trade Iron Condors and you want to learn more about Iron Condors, then definitely take a look. Just visit the tradersfly.com website. It's going to be in the description below. You can check out the Options Mastery series. We've got stuff on verticals, but really a lot of the things that I do is actually the coaching and one-on-one, where I meet up with people weekly. And if you want to book a free 20-minute session discussing those things and how to create a learning path specifically for you, just check out the website. You just book a free 20-minute call. I'll be happy to chat with you. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me. Feel free to visit the website. Check out the links in the description. There's a lot of great freebies as well that you could take a look at and download on our website, from cheat sheets to guides to trading journals, you name it. Just go into the freebies section and you'll be able to download them. So thanks again for joining me. Hope to see more of you in the future, and maybe I'll get a chance to speak with you sometime later on. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.